Hello everyone, today we're gonna present a new product from ideal.atom, restore plastic. I'm gonna go outside, find a car, apply this product and see the result. Stay tuned. Alright, here we find a car that needs some work. As you see, look, all the scratches, the plastic is white. We will apply the ideal.atom product, restore plastic. What we have here is gloves. I'm gonna wear one. We have sanding papers too. It is 2000, and we have two whites. Now, sanding paper, we don't need to use it every time, but when we see corrosion on the plastic, we had to use it. Let's try it out. Shake the bottle. We grab one of the whites. Now we're gonna start.